In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. Let's walk through how to reply to comments in a Microsoft Word document in a clear, efficient way so you can keep your feedback organized and easy to follow. Start by opening your Word document and heading to the Review tab along the top of the window. This is the home base for all collaboration features, including comments and track changes. If you don't see the Review tab, make sure your window is maximized so all menu options are visible. Next, make the comments visible. Look for the Show Comments button on the Review tab and click it. This opens a panel that lists every comment and their threads, if you prefer to work directly on the page. You can also look to the right margin of your document for the comment balloons. These appear as colored boxes connected to the text by a line, and they're great for replying right where the feedback appears. Choose the comment you want to address by clicking on it once. When it's selected, it will be highlighted either in the comments pane or in the right margin, and you'll see the thread details clearly. Picking the exact comment ensures your reply is threaded correctly, keeping the conversation in one place. Inside that selected comment, click the Reply button. This reply control sits within the comment box itself, not in the ribbon, and opens a reply field directly under the original note. This keeps your message nested so anyone reviewing the document can see the context at a glance. Type your response in the reply field. Be specific and concise so the author understands your decision or the change you're proposing. If you're agreeing with a suggestion, say so and briefly indicate what you changed. If you need more information, ask for it clearly. Your reply is automatically linked to the original comment, so the conversation remains tidy. Continue to work through any remaining comments the same way. Select a comment, click Reply, and type your message. Take a moment to ensure you're replying to an existing comment, rather than starting a new, separate comment, which can split the conversation. When you're finished, save your document. Use the Save button, or press Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. If your file is stored in OneDrive or SharePoint with autosave on, your replies are saved as you go, but it's still a good habit to confirm your changes are up to date before closing. And that's it. You've replied to comments, kept the discussion organized, and saved your work.